Welcome back to my humble channel. This is a quick video showing how I post-process my drawings in Procreate. First, I'll show how I add paper texture. So add a new layer, then insert a paper texture image of your choice courtesy of Google Image. Resize to fit your canvas. We set the layer to divide and adjust the opacity to around 50%. Next is how I add grain texture. Let's try this on a different artwork. Again, add a new layer, then go to Adjustments, select Noise, and choose Pencil. Now adjust the noise first to your liking. I usually set it to 100%. Right. Then we paint the layer with noise. Now this became too grainy, so I adjusted the scale. Right. When you're fixed, set layer to hard mix this time. And adjust opacity at around 40%. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.